Welcome to part 3 of the SUBCRAFT video series. In the previous videos, we took a closer look at the functions of SUBCRAFT and how to use them. So if some steps seem too fast for you, feel free to watch the first 2 videos. In this video, I want to get a bit more experimental with the sounds to show you the full range of SUBCRAFT. First, let's go through some presets to get some inspiration. How can we create those kind of sounds ourselves? Let's start with a clean preset and disable the kick sample. To get a constant tone, I want to turn the length up to 100%. Also, I'm gonna turn up the tone so the bass becomes more mid-rangey. Let's get some character with the terrain. I can also automate the terrain position to bring some dynamic into the track. Great, let's hear it with some more extreme effects. And of course, I can also automate the amount of those effects. Here on the bottom, next to the loops, we have an area with pre-automated pitch effects, which makes it easy for you to bring some more dynamic into your bass line. Those pitch articulations are placed on the notes F, F sharp, and G2. So I'm going into my piano roll and draw them in where I want them to happen. Now let's listen to some of the bass loops that are integrated into SUBCRAFT to make your workflow faster and easier. If you need more attack and snappiness in your bass, you can just activate the kick sample. You can get SUBCRAFT now on ujam.com, and please feel free to also watch the other videos on SUBCRAFT where I explore the sound of this great plugin even more. Thanks for watching.